Whenever people we love disappear from our lives, our only option is to seek comfort in the memories of our time together and be grateful for all the good things that happened. We lose people in unexpected and tragic ways. However, people who leaves us will become our protective angels from the other side. We never lose the people we love, even to death. They continue to participate in every act, thought, and decision we make. Death of a dear one leaves a heartache no one can heal, but memories with them are precious, no one can steal. The loss of a friend is like that of a limb. Time may heal the anguish of the wound, but the loss cannot be repaired. Grief never ends, but it changes. It is not a sign of weakness. Grief is the price we pay for our love. Losing a loved one is the deepest sorrow a heart can know, but their goodness, wisdom, and care live on like a legacy. Those we love don't go away. They walk beside us every day, unseen, unheard, but always near. Still loved, still missed, and very dear. Some people come into our lives, leave footprints on our hearts, and we are never the same. Your life was a blessing, your memory a treasure. You loved beyond words and missed beyond measures. Whenever we feel the pain of losing our dear one is unbearable, we should remember with gratitude the moments spent together. There are no goodbyes for us. Wherever you are, you will always be with us. Sorrow is very natural with the death of someone you love. However, we must embrace hope and let life continue its march. I never left you. I watch you every day. I'm always very near. I know deep in your heart you realize I am here. I watch you while you sleep in your bed at home. I hear you when you speak to me when you are on your own. You cannot understand the reason why I have gone, but I will never leave you. I am there to keep you strong. Talk to me, I hear you, though you may not see. We share an unbroken bond that will always be. Death won't keep us apart, for our love is forever. Just remember me in your heart, and one day we will be together. Live your life and live it full. Don't waste a single day. Remember, I am always with you every step of the way. When someone you love becomes a memory, the memory becomes a treasure.